Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can change the account type in Kahoot in 2026. So let us guide you through this. So head over to Kahoot, log into your account, and you will need to access your profile settings for this by clicking into your profile icon in the top right and by using the option profile settings here. Now guys, switch to the edit profile tab here, and there is the option to change the account type only for or during the sign up process. So if I, for example, click into that account type here, which is currently set for me to student, I won't be able to change that. It will be grayed out. So you can't do this once you have created the account. You will need to, there are two options, either contact the support if you want your account type to be changed, or you delete your account by clicking into this button, confirm by clicking into that button here, and after that sign up with a new account, but this time choose a different account type, for example from student to teacher or something like that. That's how it works in 2026 guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.